Your poop is literally saving your life right now. Wait, what? Yep. If you never pooped again, your body would basically explode in less than a week. Stick around because we're diving into the wildest chain reaction happening inside you. Hey! So here's what's crazy, your digestive system is like an assembly line in your stomach. Today we're discovering what happens when that assembly line gets completely jammed. Stick around because fact number 3 will actually blow your mind. Fact number 1, your food is never just food, right? When you eat a pizza slice, your body breaks it into tiny pieces. Then it creates this sludgy brown stuff we call feces. This stuff has to leave your body. Here's the thing, if it doesn't, toxic stuff starts building up. Literally poison begins re-entering your bloodstream. Fact number 2, remember how your colon is like a storage tank? Imagine filling a swimming pool but never draining it. By day 2 of not pooping, you'd have the bloating equivalent of carrying 3 extra school buses in your stomach. Your belly would be absolutely massive. You'd barely be able to walk. Fact number 3, here's where it gets nasty. All those toxins? They start attacking your organs like tiny invaders in a Minecraft mob fight. Your liver is basically saying, nope, I can't handle this. Your kidneys start shutting down. By day 5 or 6, your body would enter sepsis, basically full system failure. Fact number 4, want the scariest part? Your own bacteria would become your enemy. Normally, gut bacteria helps you. But when poop backs up, those bacteria start multiplying like crazy and punch through your intestinal walls. Literally rupture your insides. You'd need emergency surgery or, well, yeah. So here's the wild truth, pooping is basically your body's emergency exit for toxic waste. Without it, you'd have maybe 1 week before total system failure. Pretty crazy, right? So here's my question for you, which fact shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments. And smash that subscribe button so you never miss another mind-blowing science video. Thanks for watching.